All right, so let's see the view tab. Under this, we'll cover these tools that we have. And the next tab, that is tools and help, we'll skip it, as we'll not cover them because certain functions that we have here in tools are little advanced. And help is nothing but you will find the course materials for Power BI. You can go through them and try to learn more about Power BI through them. So this is the last tab that we'll cover under Power Query. So in Power Query, under view, we have query settings on at the left. So if I click on query setting, the applied steps, the properties and everything will go off. So let's see that. So if I uncheck it, it removed that particular information on the right hand side. If you want it back, you can check that. So it will come back. Formula bar is this. So if you don't want the formula bar, you can remove it by unchecking it, so it will go off. And if you want the formula bar, you can check the formula bar. Monospaced, if you want the characters to have equal spaces in your table, you can check monospaced. So you can now see that there is proper spacing and equal spacing between each data that we have over here in each cells. So I'll remove it for now. Show white space. If you click, so it will show the white space that we have here under each column, right? And next is column quality. Column quality, as soon as you select, it will show like whether the data have any error. If there is any empty data, so 42% of this column is empty, you can see yes, it's correct. So many null in here. Here also we have null columns. Null means empty, so it shows correctly. It can also show you errors if there is any in the columns. At the bottom, you can select column profiling for on top 1000 rows, or if you want for the entire data set. The data set itself is less than 1000, so it's not an issue. If it's more than that, and if you want profiling for all, you can make sure you select column profiling based on entire data set, right? So that was about column quality. We have column distribution that shows now like this column has 19 distinct and 19 unique. It means that all are different and they are unique also. They are not repeating more than once. So that is what it says. And again, date is 19 distinct and 19 unique. In name, you will see that there is 6 distinct, right, and 2 unique. It means that there are names, there are 2 names that are repeating only once in this column, and otherwise there are only 6 names, and they are distinct obviously, and 2 are only being repeated once in this data. So let's quickly see which name is only repeated once. So Ajit Karwinkle is something that I see as being repeated once. Sanjay Singh is also repeated once. So these are 2 unique one, right? I hope you understood about column distribution. It's very quick and easy way to understand your data, how the columns are distributed and all. Column profile, what it does is it will show you a summary of what information we have. Rahul Sharma, Jali Mehta, so how many times they have been repeated. Count, it shows 19 distinct, now it shows 6. Unique, it shows 2. Min and max, it means it considers the first letter, and Ajit is will be the min, and max will be Sanjay as it starts from S. So that is column profile. Always allow that parameter, will cover later, will not be able to understand now. So I will skip that. Go to column, we have seen previously too. You can just select which column you want to go, and it will go there. So state column is something which I want to go next. So if I select state, it jumps onto the state column. And advanced editor is where you will see the programming language of the entire data set. Queries dependency will show from where your data is flowing into this particular table, right? The dependencies of this table with the data. So yes, so these were the overall tools that we have under View tab, and we have covered almost all of the uh, tools or the features that we have under Power Query. Now, once we have done all the changes, done all the cleaning, right, with the help of Power Query, now the data would be ready to be used for visualization. So in order to finalize it, I can click on close and apply. And as soon as I hit close and apply, it will get the data for the use for visualization. So now it's running. It will usually load the data completely, and now you can see these are the data table that we have, which is ready, and we can start using it for visualization purposes. All right, so that's it. The next video which we will cover will be about DAX, and it will be basic DAX. Few sessions would be on that. So see you in the DAX sessions.